Question number 5a. An electron is projected from left to right with a velocity of 2 times 10 to the power of 6 meter per second. It enters perpendicular into a uniform magnetic field of 3.5 millitesla directed into the page. Okay, so determine the magnitude and direction of the magnetic force on the electron. So this is basically just F equal to Q VB sine theta. Okay, so how do you determine the direction of the magnetic force? You will be using the Fleming hand rule. So this is gonna be your let me just double check. This is, I don't remember if this is this one? Yeah. So electron is a negative charge, is it? Yes, electron is negative charge. So which one are we using? Fleming left or Fleming right hand rule? It depends on the charge. So sekarang kita punya electron is a negative charge, so kita akan guna right hand rule. So right hand rule, dia cakap the velocity is from left to right, so V is your middle finger. So middle finger is pointing to the right, and then what else? The magnetic field is directed into the page, so you will be pointing it downwards. So our velocity is your pointing finger is gonna be pointing downwards lah, okay, into the page. Maksudnya kalau dia into the page, kamu akan nampak X. Lepas tu dia punya our thumb will be pointing downwards lah. So maksudnya lukisan tu bukanlah lukisan, tiap payah lukis pun actually. Kamu just perlu bagi tahu the direction is downwards, okay? So Q is 1.6 times 10 to the power of negative 19. V is 2 times 10 to the power of 6. B is 3.5. Sine, this is perpendicular, so sine 90 degree. So kamu akan dapat 1.12 times 10 to the power of negative 15 Newton. So tadi kamu ingat tak macam mana buat? This is negative charge, so kamu akan guna Fleming right hand rule. So your middle finger is telling us the velocity, since dia cakap it moves from left to right. So velocity, our middle finger is gonna be pointing to the right. Okay, so this is your V. Lepas tu dia cakap apa? The magnetic field is into the page. So going into the page maksudnya kamu akan point your pointing finger downwards. Okay, downwards maksudnya kamu point pergi iPad kamu kah, kamu point pergi meja kah, mana-mana lah, asalkan dia point downwards. So maksudnya kita punya force sekarang ni dia pergi mana? Dia force kita akan tunjuk ke bawah juga. So kamu akan letak F is equal to F punya direction is downwards. Okay, alright, that is how you determine the direction. Lepas tu question B. An electron is traveling through a uniform magnetic field of 1.1 Tesla. A force of 4.91 times 10 to the power of negative 15 Newton is acting on the electron. Determine the magnitude of the velocity of the electron if it is moving at an angle of 40 degree to the field. So the angle between the velocity and the magnetic field is 40 degree. We have to determine the magnitude of the velocity lah. So use the same formula, just find V. Okay, so the V is gonna be equal to QB sine theta. This is F. Okay, so sekarang ini kamu just substitute all the values and you will get 4.34 times 10 to the power of 4 meter per second. Alright, so that's pula. So this is the solution for question number 5.